First product up is glass polish. Again, glass polish is going to remove the water spots, haze, deeply embedded road grime, bugs, sap residue, pretty much cut through all the dirt and grime that glass cleaners and regular car washing cannot remove. It's going to give you the best clarity that any glass cleaner could achieve on its own. Really easy to apply. Now it is a polish. It does have abrasives in it. The one thing that it cannot do is remove scratches from glass. We get this question all the time. It cannot do that. The abrasives are not the type of abrasives that can do that. However, you still don't want to use glass polish on anything other than glass. Do not use it on plastic. So that means nothing on plastic headlights and not on your instrument cluster gauge. Now, to apply the product, we're going to be using our Autofiber's Thin Saver applicator pad. We're going to be using the microfiber side. We're going to make sure that we shake the bottle real well, which is, I've already done that. And you're going to pour about the size of a quarter, which you know is just the right amount. You don't want to apply too much. If you apply too much, nothing negative is going to happen other than the fact that it's going to take a long time for the product to dry to a haze. Because it's going to be more wet, especially when it's humid outside in the summer, or if it's winter time and it's cold, it takes even longer for the product to dry to a haze. So again, just use about the size of a quarter. We'll go ahead and pour that amount right now, and then you're going to go on your glass, and you're just going to work it into the glass in a circular up and down motion. You can easily see where you already applied it. Now, glass polish can be applied obviously by hand, but it can also be applied with a machine using a Porter cable DA or a direct drive DA like Rupes or a Flex polisher. But applying it by hand, you're not going to lose any effectiveness. You're going to get the same amount of clarity. So just like that, we're allowing it to dry to a haze now, and you can already see it. It's already started to do that. We'll go ahead and grab our microfiber cloth, and we'll go ahead and buff that right off. Just like that. And we're done.